Welcome to the Product Management Framework by Genesis Works. The framework consists of a series of modules that work together to give you the ability to segment your products for different markets, provide for different pricing for different channels such as retail, wholesale, consignment, etc., and provide localization for different markets by specifying language, currency, and date and numeric formats. All managed in a common way and sharing product sets and price lists in a way that makes sense to your business. Each product feed module meets a different specification for product data feeds. Some specifications require a taxonomy. For example, Google Shopping requires that you define your products in terms of the categories in their taxonomy. When a product feed requires a taxonomy, the module will either install the taxonomy data in the case of smaller taxonomies, or in the case of large taxonomies, such as the Google taxonomy, will install a download feature that allows you to download and update the taxonomy whenever you like. For large taxonomies, like Google, which has over 5,000 categories, you can hide all but the categories that apply to your products. This reduces the noise that you need to deal with when categorizing your products. Where a product feed specification requires additional fields, for example, Google requires condition and brand, amongst others, the module will add the fields. In most cases, product feeds require a product URL. This provides a destination for a click from a Google Shopping ad or an affiliate link. In some cases, you may not be running the Odoo website module and e-commerce in Odoo, but use an external website such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. If this is how your business operates, then add the URL to your products, and this URL will be used in your product feeds. In this way, even if you have one or more external websites, Odoo can still manage all of your product feeds. Let's see it in action. Start by enriching your product data with the custom fields required for the feeds that you want to use. And add product taxonomy categories. Now, let's create a product set. These are collections of products that apply to a geographic market, sales channel, or specific business partner. Products can be added individually or in bulk. Feeds are a specification for product data feeds, specifying the set to use, the taxonomy, the language, which price list, and optionally, several options around websites, stock levels, and shipping options and prices. This gives you the flexibility to supply product data feeds in various formats for different markets, with different products, languages, currencies, and pricing. You might have one feed in USD with wholesale prices for an online wholesale platform such as Faire or Create. You might have another in GBP with retail pricing for your Google Shopping campaigns in the UK. You can expose feeds to your partners, including Google, Facebook, affiliate platforms, and more. By adding a token to feeds, you secure them from bots and from public view. Because tokens are unique, we can also monitor feed access requests to identify broken or disused feeds and see update frequency. To see a dashboard of all of your feeds and tokens, select Tokens. Tokens can be refreshed at any time to prevent access to a product feed using the old token. This gives you fine-grained access control without impacting your other partners. Each product feed module works the same way, and you can use product sets across multiple feeds. If you have a requirement to provide product data and aren't sure if we have a feed module to meet your needs, get in touch. Thank you for choosing Genesis Works.